आपने पहले वाले रोडीज के जितने भी सीजन है वो नहीं देखे, बट मैंने क्लोजली देखा है। आई एम अ रोडी फैन। तो मैंने एक चीज नोटिस की है, इस सीजन में बहुत ज्यादा देखने को मिला है कि गैंग लीडर्स पे बहुत ज्यादा एलिगेशंस लग रहे हैं कि पार्शियलिटी कर रहे हैं। प्रिंस, रिया, नेहा, तीनों सिवाय एल्विश के। वो कह रहा है भाई मैंने सबको मौका दिया क्योंकि गैंग में कम ही लोग हैं।
Obviously, हाँ.
बाकी लोगों पे काफी ज्यादा एलिगेशंस लग रहे हैं, उस पे क्या कहोगे? पार्शियलिटी सही में हो रही थी?
I think partiality is happening. That's for sure. There is no doubt. Partiality will happen everywhere. If you see there's a corporate environment, you know, partiality is there. If there is business environment, partiality is there. If they are friends, you're partial to your friends as well. One friend is to just go out for a drive, one friend is to go out for a coffee, one friend is, you know. And if you have two girlfriends, you'll be partial to one, you know. So I'm saying partiality is everywhere. And in Rudy's there is, but the biggest aspect of that partiality happening is if you prove gang members, gang leaders will be partial to you. You perform, you get the, you know, दिल जीतो उनका, strong perform करो, उनकी gang को जिताओ, they like you. So अगर वो एक chance भी आपको दे रहे हैं, don't miss it out. Don't miss it out. To all these contestants, I'm saying that if you get a chance, don't miss it out. Do not miss it out. Like I'll say, पहले वाले task में I had to ditch Riya ma'am and double cross her, and I was okay with it, you know, like because I wanted to perform. Shoot, I'm on national TV. It's a dream come true. People give PIs six times, don't get selected. I was lucky. I was thinking, you know, like this is no chance. I have to double cross, and I was just hoping that she would understand. If I double cross, we win, you know, all of that. But I know that if I wouldn't have played from Prince's gang or been in my own gang, I don't think there was any other gang who would have even been in the competition.
Okay.
We would go one gang after the other. Like I would go one after the other without getting tired. It was just warm up for me.
ठीक है।
So I'm that confident.
रोडीज के लिए स्टे ट्यून। बाकी कुछ कंटेस्टेंट्स के नाम मैं नाम लूंगी, आपको जल्दी जल्दी, इट वुड बी अ रैपिड फायर सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, जल्दी जल्दी सिर्फ एक वर्ड जो भी
I'm a
दिमाग में
very
हो।
patient man. आपने देखा होगा मैं जवाब बहुत धैर्य से देता हूँ.
जी।
तो I think what is this called?
रैपिड
Rapid
फायर।
fire. I think fire will be there, but rapid.
ठीक है, बस वन वर्ड। ठीक है, ये
I'll
ठीक है।
try.
मनमीत।
Cat.
ओके
पंजाबी में कैंट का मतलब होता है एकदम सिरा, बहुत अच्छा, you know, like amazing,
ओके।
next level.
गुल्लू।
गुल्लू भाई,
ठीक है। सिमरन।
छोटी बहन,
रश्मिता।
गुड गर्ल,
हर्ष।
गुड प्लेयर.
नेहा गैंग के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलोगे? सबसे ज्यादा मतलब उन्हीं लोगों ने टारगेट किया आपको।
नो टारगेट इसलिए करा कि वो मुझसे डरते हैं, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं उन्हें बुरा बोलूं, you know, like
कोकोनट। कोकोनट
coconut. Oh yeah.
पर्सनालिटी। हरताज।
भाई,
हिना।
good at heart, you know, like very good at heart.
सुरुचि।
सुरुचि बड़बोली, सोचती नहीं है वो.
ठीक है। बैलेंस।
मजाकिया, you know, like the you know, like comebacks, good comebacks.
निशी।
Fire.
योगेश।
What do you call Pookie? He calls himself Pookie.
आशु जी।
Strong,
चार्ली।
sharp, intelligent.
मन्नू।
Soon to be legend.
soon to be legend.
He's represented India, so that is
Yeah,
what I want to say.
definitely.
He's represented India, and anybody who represents India, we have to support him, you know, like, and I want him to do good in his, and I played the task with him. It was amazing, and it was just fun playing with him. So I want him to, you know, grow.
ठीक है, अब गैंग लीडर्स की बारी।
Okay.
Just one word. एल्विश।
Legend,
प्रिंस।
genuine, close to heart,
रिया।
intelligent,
नेहा।
boss,
And above everyone, रणविजय।
warrior. He's that warrior who a king sends to fight alone, like Hercules.